Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to protect your content on your WordPress website. So here is the thing guys, assuming it took you several days or even weeks or months to come up with a particular blog post after making series of research, or to write a sales copy or sales letter to promote your offer or product, and someone just came from nowhere and copy all of your content that took you several days or week to come up with, to write, or probably you hire a copywriter or you hire someone to write your content for you, and someone from nowhere just came and copied everything word for word. The truth is, there are such people online. They are not ready to put in the work or the research themselves. They just try to scoop from others, like copy word for word for something that has taken you days, or that you spent huge bucks trying to get from other copywriter, a freelance copywriter or an agency. So guys, here is the thing. In this video, I will show you how you can protect your content from such people, and trust me, this will definitely work for you. Okay guys, so here is the thing. Okay, this is my website, right? So before we do the process, trust me, this will be a very short tutorial video. So before we get started, let's try copying a content. Now when I say content, it could be text or images. Do you get it now? So, or even links. So here is the thing guys, let's try to copy a content on this page, so we can check when we are done with the whole process. Okay guys, so all right, so let me copy. Okay, so this is a content, right? So let's try copying it. I'm actually not using a sales page for this particular. So okay, this is a content. Can you see? You can right click, you can highlight, and you can copy. Can you see? So we'll come back to this. We'll try the same approach. So we'll see if we can copy content after we are done with the whole implementation. Can you see? You can copy content now and paste. If I can copy images as well, can you see? Copy link, address, and all of that. So guys, let's get started with the main tutorial. Welcome back. Kindly like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people that will need it. And please, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification, because I publish new and valuable content every Thursday, and we discuss topics related to WordPress, Facebook advertisement, Canva, whiteboard animation, and the likes. We discuss topics that will help you save time, save energy, and also save money. And not just that, also make you more money. Okay, enough. Let's get started with today's training. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Then you install this plugin. We'll be using a plugin for this, and I'm very sure you know how to install a plugin. Okay, so we'll be installing a plugin for this, and the plugin is called WP Copy Protection. Okay, so just type WP Copy Protection. This is actually not the full name, but should give us an idea. All right, awesome. So this is it. WP Content Copy Protection and no right click. Can you see it has over 100,000 installs? That tells you this is actually working. This WP plugin protect the post content from being copied by any other website author. Can you see? You don't want to activate, you don't want your copy the content too. Nice. So all right, so install and activate. And okay, once you are done installing and activating, you will see a new menu for copy protection. So just click on it. Guys, we are almost done. Okay, so this now, here is the thing, they also have a pro version, but trust me, you don't really need a pro version to get this done. Unless you need another layer of security, then fine, you can go for the pro version. But trust me, the free version is as well very much okay. All right, so now basically what you have to do is just save settings. You don't really need to touch anything here, but probably you want to preview the settings. Now, post protection by JavaScript enabled. Of course, you want to enable for single post content. Home page protection by JavaScript, you want to what? Enable. Static pages protection, you want to what? Also enable. So this is for posts, this for pages, and this for your home page. So you want to what? Enable everything. Plugin icon on top admin bar, which is this. Can you see? You want to make it visible, right? Now this you can actually exclude. Probably you are the owner of your website and you are the admin. So probably you are trying to do something and you want to disable this WP content copy protection. You will actually need a premium account or premium plan or premium account to access such settings. Can you see? So you need a premium plan. Okay, now they are trying to tell you, okay, what do you want to display when people try to copy? So can you see? Selection disabled message, content is protected. So this all will be displayed when people try to copy. And this print preview message, you are not allowed to print preview this message. Okay, I'll just update this to you are not allowed to copy content on this page. Thank you. You can use your own custom or preferred message that you want the person to see. Then you click on save change, save settings. Okay guys, so you can see this is premium right click protection premium. So since you are not using the premium version or whatever related to that, we'll just leave that settings and we are done. So let's preview the alert message. Can you see the alert here? This is a preview message. Okay, so guys, now let's go back to my home page and let's refresh and see if this will work or not. Okay, it's loading. Let me visit another page as well. Oh, sorry. So confirm one, we'll verify on 2 pages. Okay guys, I think it's downloading. So let's see if we can copy content or not. Can you see? Content is protected. Can you see? Alert, content is protected. So you can decide to use your own preferred text. Do you get it now? So let me go copy the previous one that we tried copying before we get started. Now okay, let's try copying again. Can you see? It's not possible to copy. You can't. You can also right click. So guys, you can see that this works. Okay, let's preview these settings on another page. let's see if it will work on this other page. Okay, so can you see? You can't. It's not possible to what? Copy content again. Can you see the alert? Content is protected. So guys, this is a very short tutorial video, and the thing is this: last week I discussed about how you can actually write your copy or blog content or your social media content using an AI. Funny enough, I created the tutorial last week, but now the software has even improved better, and to keep improving. Do you get it now? So if you have not watched that tutorial, I would advise you go watch it. So imagine you have you spent some bucks to gather that content. Do you get it? And someone just came from nowhere to copy it. That is not really nice. So go watch that tutorial if you have not watch it. Okay guys, so as I've said, this will be a very short tutorial, and please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so you never miss any of my awesome YouTube content that I publish every Thursday. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.